Namaste दोस्तों, welcome to new video of Tally. In last video we learnt about very useful shortcuts and with the help of those shortcuts your presentation becomes very easy. So in this video we will be learning about profit and loss. Profit and loss, as you all know, that it shows performance of a business and it is for a particular period and not at a point of time. It's for a period of time. Like when we say that how much we earn profit or incurred loss for a financial year or for an year, then that is for a period of time. So let's not make the video very long and move to shortcuts. So this is gateway of Tally. From here, with the help of arrow key, you can go to profit and loss account. Here directly press enter, okay, or go back by pressing skip, and again you press P from keyboard. Okay, so this is my profit and loss account, and for first shortcut I'll be learning, means I'll be showing, is Alt F1, and that we saw in balance sheet also. So let me press Alt F1. So we got the details of like items of profit and loss account here only. Okay, then opening stock, you can see that two items are there, oil and shoes. Okay, and purchases also you can see. Again you press Alt F1. So this report became condensed. So if you want to see a condensed report or detailed report, press Alt F1 as per your requirement, and then again F2 is for filtering the period. Suppose I want from July 20 from April to July the report I want. Okay, so you can see here as per the filter you gave, it's reflecting, it's showing the performance from April to July. Okay, now F8, again here you can see F8 on right hand side, or you can directly press F8 for valuation of closing stock, and this valuation of inventories is done as per accounting standard 2. Okay, so details I am not showing you here because this is the video of Tally. We will be learning about shortcuts and other features. If you want, then I'll make separate videos on accounting standards. So here I'm choosing FIFO, first in first out. Okay, then for valuation we can press F8, then again Alt S. Okay, so this is educational mode, friends, and I'm not getting that option, and press also I read that option in Tally ERP 9. So I'll check and let you know about that option, which was like profit and loss account as per schedule 6, okay, of Income Tax Act. Let's see another shortcut which we also saw in balance sheet. Alt C to add a column. Okay, here I selected, I didn't select base currency, but I just wanted to see. So Alt C to add column and Alt D to delete the column. Okay, again I am pressing Alt C to add a column. Okay, now Alt A is for alteration. You can make changes here. Going back, then again another shortcut is Alt N. So this is the monthly report, how much sales we made in April, May, June, July. Okay, here you can make comparison and BR report or anything our boss used to ask us for cash flow, position and all, and analysis of various expenses. We were showing them like the report. From here you can know, from Tally only you can show this report. We were presenting that time in Excel, so Tally is an easier and better option. Okay, and again let's move to F12, that is configuration. This was horizontal format, let me change it to vertical. Yes, okay. So you can see now we are getting it in vertical format. So this was all about profit and loss shortcuts, which was very much similar to balance sheet shortcuts. Now we will be learning about, in this video only, about stock summary. Okay, so moving towards stock summary, this is gateway of Tally. You can see here just below profit and loss stock summary. Okay, so this is the summary of stocks we have, stock items. Okay, so for details same, Alt F1, same as balance sheet and profit and loss, Alt F1, and then for period filtration also we use F2. F5 we use to see stock item wise. So this is item wise, you can see the stock ginger oil, shoe rubber, sports shoes. Okay, if you want to see profit of each stock, then F7. So hope you are understanding. You can see on right hand side also, these are very relevant and useful shortcuts. So you write it down somewhere, F5, and then again I can hide the profit valuation. We can see FIFO I am doing. Okay, for valuation same, F8. Alt C for creation of column for comparison. Okay, then again Alt D to remove columns. Alt N for reports monthly. Okay, and F12 is for configuration. Configuration you can do as per your requirement. Yes, I want to see opening balance as well. Show good inwards. Yes, yes. So here you can see this is showing opening balance. Okay, then inward how much we purchased, then how much we sold, and how much we have in hand, that is closing stock. Okay, this was all about stock summary. Coming back to gateway of tally, we will see ratio analysis in next video, because this video became like long, so I'm not showing you in this.